Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share something special with you. Why is speaking English important than grammar? Yes, you heard that right. So many students, especially from Hindi medium background, he focus only grammar, rules, and the sentence and the tenses. But still they can't speak English fluency. Why? Because fluency comes from the speaking, not the grammar rules and the tenses. So this video I'll share experience why believe you start speaking first, even if your grammar is not perfect yet. So let's start. Firstly, fluency comes from speak, not grammar. When I start English learning, and I used to worry about grammar, direct tense, indirect tense, past, perfect, everything. But till someone asks me, introduce yourself, and I used to you get stuck. And why? Because I was learning a grammar and not speaking. Slowly I realized grammar grammar is like a petrol, and but speak like driving. So no matter how much you have petrol, if you don't know how to drive and what's the rule, it is the most important. Speak first, improve grammar later. Even native speaker not perfect grammarly conversation. You can say nowadays every native speaker when was speaking and he did so much mistake. So it is the most important, because communication is a just practicing, not a perfect grammar. Why do Hindi medium learner fear speaking? Because we are taught grammar first in school and not speaking. But if we keep thinking about only we keep thinking about negative. What if used the wrong tense? What if someone lied to me? But remember this: no one is learn to cycling reading book, but you learn riding the cycling. And same with the English, and you learn by speaking. For example, when I started my YouTube the video, I was not perfect. Even right now I am not perfect, just I am improving my English speaking throughout the YouTube video and the throughout the conversation every time. But I spoke daily and made mistake and correct myself. And slowly my confidence increasing and build my fluency. And 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 I am talk about my enhanced skill. Today, day by day, feel like very good. And I honestly people's liked and that I was real. And mistake are not of learning. Mistake are part of life. And third thing is a grammar grammar will improve with time. When you speak English conversation, your grammar automatically understanding what you want to say, and gradually you are familiar with the tense and sentence. Then your mind automatically capture there what we need to use when you are conversation. Then your mind automatically understanding this time I used to past tense, and that time I used to future. Everything on the understanding your mind, just you practicing day by day, because speaking make grammar practical. And fourth thing is a focus on the communication, not a perfection. Remember, our goal is to communication, not a win to grammar and competition. Even if you say I go I go to market, but other people will understanding. Slowly you learn to say I will go to the market tomorrow. Mistake are not failure, mistake are practice. So friends, this message for you: start speaking daily basis to learn new thing daily. And don't think grammar you gradually understanding. Start with small daily sentences, and with speak daily. in grammar will follow you when when you walk on the path of practice, and I did it, and you can do it too. If you like if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I am here with you and my journey and my mistake, my success, to help to become a confidence English. Thank you so much.